guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Azana, and today we are going through my Hinge likes. Yay! Again, part 2. I think this is the perfect setting because I be in my bed. Liking these people. So I'm gonna go on my phone on this phone. We're gonna just get right into the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get into the video. I haven't downloaded Hinge in a while. I downloaded it just for this video. Single as a Pringle, working myself. But if any sugar daddies wanna hop in my DMs, you can. Take a sugar daddy application. 30 minutes. 30.
You know you have 30 minutes?
Are you kidding?
30, yes.
Look, somebody just replied. And I'm doing this video in honor of me being on ShadeRoom like 2 months ago or something. My cousin sent it to me. I don't even follow the ShadeRoom. I'm surprised I didn't even block them.
Black women calling out the dating app Hinge for putting their profiles at the bottom of the dating pool. It led some of
Do you know you have 30 minutes? 30. Okay, so we're going through my likes. Lashane. Pick our first getaway. Let's pick our first, what's it? Let's pick our first date on one of these trips. Beach trip, cabin trip, city trip. I want to be in a city. No. Myself routine, fighting, I train MMA, Muay Thai, boxing. 32. The 3. Enjoy breaking other men down and going home. What the fuck? Home to the teacher. I bet you can't.
Keep your eyes on your own plate. Keep your fork on your own.
I wish I didn't tap the audio because I give him a 4 out of 5. Go left. I give him a 1 out of 5. Left. I give him a 1 out of 5 because why? He looks kind of creepy. Left. Chad. A greatest sense of humor, and I'm extremely loyal and honest. He kind of looks fake. I hate this. No, why did you look like that? Why? This is creepy. He's kind of cute. If you're looking for a sugar daddy, I'm looking for. See, definitely no. Left. Because how you 46? You talking about no? Don't like me. Oh. Sorry, y'all. We need to go through my profile first. Y'all know the drill. I'm Kylie on here. I'm gonna change my name. My middle name is gonna be Kylie in this font. It is already Kylie, but I'm gonna change it to this font. I'm gonna change my name. So this is my profile. This year I really want to go to Finland for Christmas. I'm 23. 5 foot. Downtown Atlanta. Don't have children. Don't want children. Cat. In the future. I'm manifesting it. Agent at real estate. Georgia Tech. Manifest. From Baltimore. Short-term relationship. Open to long. I'm not dating somebody. That's for 30. That's for when I'm 30. As you can see, I love this dress. I have this dress in so many fonts. So many patterns, fonts. Dating me is like going on the tallest and fastest roller coaster in the world. Just like keep it cute and simple, because guys don't really want to get to know you anyways. They just want to. The way to win me over is to give me gifts. So if you don't want to give gifts, don't like my profile, okay? She was eating in this. She was eating. Got her eating. I love when I do my hair. And of course, you gotta get a picture of the natural hair. We're gonna go through my likes that I already liked. Abraham. I think he's a painter or something. Astronomy teacher at online high school. He looks really sweet. That's fine. Sleeping is followed by he's a painter. He just looks greatest strength.
My greatest strength is probably emotional intelligence. It's something that I spent a lot of time developing, but I'm always trying.
I'm not a little cuddly because I got some meat on my bones. But I'm going to diet next week, so meat is gonna be no more. Wow, you're stunning. I appreciate it. How are you? I'm good. I've been working my off today, but it's paying off. So what you're hoping to find on Hinge? You listed short term, open and long, then stay here for a good time, not a long time. Does that mean you're looking for? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm looking for a sugar. I'm looking for a sugar daddy, or if you want to be my man, I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm just bored. Joe, I like Joe's picture.
Well, I had to make a new account for some reason.
Looks cute. I don't
You can
remember
call me
liking
Joe.
him now.
Joey, Joseph, or Big Joe. All depends on how you're feeling that day.
Looks like a very nice man. He's 37. Lives in Sandy Springs. He lives in the suburbs, okay, Joe. Matthew, he's cute. He said, I want you. I want me too. Let me see. I want me too. LOL. Like, girl, I don't know. One thing you should know about me, Pitbull dad, cinematographer, rugby player, gym and CrossFit, quick-witted and sarcastic, love to be outside, love to be inside, hilarious and creative director at film. Look, this picture kind of threw me off. Why is your overalls up to your man parts? I'll give him a 4 out of 5 because he's very sweet. Doesn't everybody want me that like my profile? Get in line, buddy. Okay. Henrik. He's Christian. 44. Sweet look. No, okay. 4 out of 5 for me. And then I literally just liked him for the plot. No disrespect, Kylie, but it's really best. I feel like when they do these long paragraphs, they just copy and paste it. Out of 5. No, you should not go out with me if you're not interested, consistent, don't like voice chats, phone calls, F/timing, and willing to me 100%. I'm very settled in my life, financially stable, great. I hope you have a great job. You're 44. You are 44. Are 44. I hope you have a good job. Jack of all trades, no kids, dog, house, cars. Oh, sorry. He's 36, not 44. Why is he 36? Why is he 36 and bald? His shield doesn't judge on age. Doesn't judge on age. You want somebody that doesn't judge on age. That's a 13. Josh, his profile, 33. I don't know why I liked him. I give him a 2 out of 5.
Good evening to you.
Let's go back to likes. John, 36, sophomore. He's very big. 1 out of 5 left. $32 left. 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. Guess how many it takes this book? Being killed in a fuck That's actually cute. I don't like that. 1 out of 5. Okay. Got a piano. To the video. What are you doing? He's actually cute. I give him a 4 out of 5. This is what this is what I have to go through. And mind you guys, I made this profile probably 2 days ago. And then I hate when they put like their friends together. 1 out of 5 left. Eber Woo. Very old. We're gonna listen to this together.
Ask me anything about anything.
I'm gonna ask you, why'd you say that? Best blue steel. Everybody loves this dang picture. Tevin! I would be the friend, like the rich auntie that had 5 marriages. That's exactly what I mean by a short time, not a long time. A short-term relationship, not a long-term relationship. I just process my brain right now. Like, if you do anything, I'm literally gonna divorce you. Dave, owner at home. Dating me is like dating me is an adventure. Can I read? Dating me is an adventure filled with thoughtful conversations, shared experiences, and a mutual growth. It's not my type. 1 out of 5, because why do you have your friends in the picture? Orlando Bloom, attorney at Atlanta, 6'5". My biggest date fail. Once I fell hard for a woman, courted her for weeks without pressure or physical. However, this landed me squarely in the friend zone. I'm obligated to her body because I courted her for weeks without pressuring her for ACX. Oh my gosh, it's such a great nail. Like, just so great. Left, 1 out of 5. Left. I don't like dreads. Let me over great smile laugh. I really like this picture. Give him a 3 out of 5 for this picture. Jay left, 1 out of 5. King left, 0 out of 5. 1 out of 5. 0 out of 5. He doesn't look like a sugar daddy. 1 out of 5 left. 1 out of 5 left. I don't like you. LT, editor at student. Figure out my best friend almost went to jail as soon as I landed in. 1 out of 5 left. Big pilot. I look forward to getting. You don't even know if I'm gonna write. Inks. Will instantly hit it off if you haven't killed the plants. I don't have any. Depends. What the heck is this? Is that a llama? What the heck is that? A dog? What the is this? Alpaca? Oh, really cute. It's bald. JB, business owner at business. Not my type. Is 55. Actually, all these people will be my sugar daddy because if you over 35, girl. The way to win me over is, have you ever consider what men want out of sex. Outside of sex. Show me who you are without all the accessories. Wow, very sexy. When males call me sexy. Just wow, very sexy and attractive. Will be a pleasure to get to know you. I am living in Atlanta. It will be a pleasure to hear from you. Looking for a great company and create memories. Looking forward to hear from you. Get that toothpick out your mouth. 1 out of 5 left. Mike. He's fat. I don't like that. 1 out of 5 left. Carry on. Founder of media company at media left. His knees are ashy. Are my knees ashy? My knees are probably ashy. 47. Has a face tattoo. He looks very scary. 1 out of 5. I want someone who good energy, like to go out and try new. This 1 out of 5 left. Absolutely not. He looks like a rapper. I don't know. Okay. What's the worst quality pictures on my profile? Left. One out of 5 left. Donald Trump! Donald Trump! 1 out of 5 just for the name. Left. Period. And most irrational fear clown. Diddy did whatever they did. I go crazy for myself. I be looking in the mirror and be like, damn! Cute. 2 out of 5 left, but I don't like box. I don't want to see you work out. I want to see Eddie. 1 out of 5 left. He looks. Does that even make sense? That's all I got for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be making some more videos on this YouTube channel. On the YouTube channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this. Just have a wonderful everything. Make every day a great day. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!